We're recording. Here we go. I'm putting the new bird water hot tub. You can see the old frozen ones. We're trying to say, hey, break out of there. Okay. Here it is. Beautiful, huh? Okay. We set it down. And now here's our birds love it. Bees love it. Even monkeys in the trees love it. Okay. Anyway, there's our bird hot tub for today. We change them out each day. I got 2 on the property. I'll go do the next one. And here you can see this one. Isn't she pretty? There's a little spaceman there. There might be water in there. Hard to tell. It'll break open eventually. But you can see there's a million of them every day. Every day. We're replacing them. And the birds love their little hot tubs. So, alright. Bye-bye.